Hello, how you doing? And welcome to How to Cook Great. If you like what you're seeing, please do subscribe and also leave us a comment. Okay, let's get moving. Okay, let's get moving on this. Now, this does take quite a while. We've got a lovely beef and potato stew here in a kind of Middle Eastern Arabic fashion. Now, I've got my beef here. I've got just under 1 kg, which is about 2 pounds. We're not going to cut it up at all. You can see there's some large rib bones in there and some other bones in there, but nice and meaty. So in a nice large pot, you're going to need a large pot for this. We're going to place in all of the meat. To that, I'm going to add some oil. You can use any oil that you want. Olive oil is nice. It's entirely up to you. I've got about 2 to 3 tablespoons there. Next up, we're going to add some seasoning. So we're going to start off with some salt. We're going to add some black pepper. And then I'm going to be adding a teaspoon each of the following. We're going to start off with some cumin powder, some chilli powder, coriander powder, and then I'm going to use something that a lot of you might not be able to get. It's called a black lime or black lemon powder. For me, because of where I live, it's really simple to get. If you don't have it, don't panic. You can just do it without this. Or get online and you can find it, no problem. That's the stuff right there. There's 1 teaspoon again of cardamom powder. If you don't have cardamom powder, you could put in maybe 3 or 4 whole pods. And then I've got some onion. I've not cut it or chopped it. I've just peeled it. Gonna just drop them in just like that. I like them just like that. Okay, above medium heat. Let's throw this around for about 8 or 9 minutes. So we've just got a little bit of colour on it now. Looking nice. I mean, obviously nowhere near cooked at all. The next thing we're going to do, this is where the long process starts. We're going to get in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. And then we're going to add some water. Now I'm adding 1.5 litres of water at this stage. Then what we're going to do is stay on this above medium heat, and we're going to go for 1 hour, and that's only just the beginning. Now, if you wanted, you could be using a pressure cooker for this. Of course, it will speed up the time enormously. We're going on the stovetop today. So 1 hour, going to pop a lid on this now, let it go, let it do its thing. Okay, magically, I'm back here 1 hour later. You can see that it's starting to look absolutely delicious. It's got some really lovely flavours happening there. But still, we need to go more. By the way, this type of beef that I've got is quite a stewing type of beef. It's not the most beautiful cut ever. Now I'm going to add in some tomato paste. This is 135 grams. As you can see, one of these little kind of Tetra Pak things. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to add in our potatoes. I've got about 4 or 5 cups of really chunky cut potatoes. I just peeled them and then just cut them. You can see how large they are. And you want them large because we're still going to cook for quite a while. If you wanted, maybe get a few carrots in there or a bit of celery. You know, experiment, play around a bit. So what we're going to do now, again, lid on. We're going to go for about 40 minutes now. That should be enough. And there we go. That's been going 1 hour, 40 minutes. The potatoes are going to be really super soft. The meat's going to be fall off the bone now, or really nice and tender. And like I say, not the best cut of meat that I've used. Then what you want to do is check it for salt. You might want to add a bit more salt in there. For me, it's good. Quite happy with that, actually. All that lovely bone marrow. Delicious stuff. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe. Keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.